I bet you can't guess this beauty I'm sitting in because Mercedes just launched AMG E53 Hybrid and it is really one of its kind.
The AMG grille, sharper LED headlamps and larger air intake makes up the front. Meanwhile, the rear comprises of quad exhaust, a sculpted diffuser and LED tail lamps, reinforcing its performance-focused design. Inside, the AMG E53 gets performance seats, an AMG steering wheel and premium materials. Large screens, connected tech and advanced driver assistant features add to the cabin's look.
This car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. What kind of engine is this? Let's check it out. The AMG E53 pairs 6-cylinder engine with an electric motor.
Together, these make the system produce up to 612 horsepower with race start and deliver 750 Nm of torque, making this one of the quickest E-Class models sold in India. Mercedes is offering the AMG E53 in 6 shades: Polar White, Vert Silver, Obsidian Black, Nautical Blue, Velvet Brown and Graphite Grey Metallic. With the launch of AMG E53 Hybrid 4MATIC Plus, Mercedes-Benz is strengthening its electrified lineup in India. But how ready is the country for performance-oriented luxury hybrids and EVs?
But I think these today India is evolving. If you see, there are private racetracks coming in India, unheard of. There's one in Pune, Nanoli, which is coming up. There's one in Bangalore with a customer of ours called Bren. There is one in Coimbatore with Narayan himself has been supporting and putting up.
Yes.
Then you have the Madras racetrack, the VIC.
Yes.
So I think there are enough and more ecosystems developing. Secondly, even public roads, I would say the Delhi-Dehradun Expressway or the Samruddhi Mahamarg are fine examples where you can enjoy, not overspeed, but at least enjoy performance cars and really enjoy the full experience that you can have with these cars. The sheer fact that AMG sales have grown by 50% in H1 is a testimony to the fact that customers want performance from their cars and the E53 AMG only adds to the portfolio. As a brand, we have the large portfolio and A45 AMG in the entry AMG segment around 1 crore of rupees to the G63 AMG at around 5.5 crores. So I think we have a lot of portfolio and customers are loving it.
Mercedes-Benz has introduced the AMG E53 Hybrid 4MATIC Plus in 2 variants. The Performance Edition is priced at 1.45 crores, while the Racing Edition costs 1.48 crore, both ex-showroom.
What restores your faith or confidence for high-performance luxury cars like this will continue to grow despite some, economic uncertainties right now?
So I think if you look at our performance in the H1, we grew by double digit in the last quarter. If you see our H1 performance, our top-end vehicle sales grew by 20%. And the share of top-end is now around 28%. And when I say top-end luxury cars for Mercedes-Benz is 1.4, 1.5 crores upwards as such. So I think we don't see any change in demand. Sentiments are down. It's also depending on capital markets and many things. But I think today car, it's just not going from point A to point B. You are rewarding yourself. You are gifting it for your wife, yourself, for your children. There is wedding. There is some occasion that you want to celebrate. So, and that cannot wait, right? Because those occasions, your anniversary or your 20th anniversary won't come every year. And therefore, people are buying cars and they are enjoying life as well with some of these cars. So, we don't see any demand changing in the top-end space.
The company claims that since January 2026, all Mercedes cars are E25 compliant. Let's understand what they feel about it.
I think it's great. We are ahead of the time. That's the expectation from a Mercedes customer, that is this brand going to protect me even in the future. And I think E20 also we started in 2020. In fact, the first BS6 cars, if my memory goes right, was in April with the S-Class. Ever since, all the BS6 introductions are E20 compliant. So we are ahead and we continue to be ahead when it comes to any technical compliance. So our customers don't have to worry about it when they purchase a car.
The E53 comes with a 28.6 kWh battery pack, offering a claimed electric-only range up to 100 km under WLTP standards. Mercedes-Benz is also stepping in as the title partner of the Indian Padel Tour 26-27. As part of this partnership, Mercedes-Benz customers will get exclusive access to paddle courts, special paddle days, and early registration for Indian Paddle Tour events.
If you had to describe the new AMG E53 in one sentence to an Indian enthusiast, what would you say? One sentence.
One sentence clearly, made for the power moves. For the customer who loves the power and he moves in that way, I think this is a car for them.
Whether electrification becomes the next big trend in our country, that remains to be seen. But Mercedes is clearly betting on the fact that performance and electrification can go hand in hand.